Before we go back to the boom assembly, we should probably revisit our drawings. The kit drawing is up to date with the changes we just made. And we can even add another reference dimension to make the e-drawing reviewer happy. Going back to the part drawing reveals that it too is up to date. But remember, when we last left this drawing, we didn't have the bores for the flange bearing. The best way to detail these bores is with another section view. And since this right view isn't adding any value, let's get rid of it and create another section view. As before, we can easily add the dimensions for the bearing bores. Notice that these dimensions have tolerancing and fit information. These tolerances came across with the smart features that were added from the flange bearing. Embedding this level of design intent into your components can save a great deal of time by not having to look up these fits every time, and you are assured that your parts will go together properly the first time. Let's clean up some dimensions on this view, and the 65mm bore dimension should really be on the section view. Even the new 30mm fillet radius was added, and we can quickly position as we see fit. Our drawing is complete, so let's go back to the boom assembly.